So, Mr. Shazubuzu, how was your exam? What exams did you do?
Maths.
Just one exam.
Art, Malayalam, Arabic, Hindi, not Hindi, English, Hindi,
Which one was the best for you?
English, Maths,
Which one was the best
all
for
the
you?
English writing.
And which one did you find very easy? Eh? All three of.
English ones.
Which one was the easiest, easy peasiest?
Maths and English.
Okay. So get full marks now?
Yeah.
You sure?
Yeah.
Okay, that's cool. Do you want to say anything to Auntie Reshma and Uncle Roy and Mama and Dadu and Dadi and everybody?
Yeah. I want to go
Hmm?
UK.
You want to go to UK?
Yeah.
And do what?
You want to go to where?
UK.
For what?
He does not know. He just wants to go to UK, I think.
Live.
To live, why you don't like where you are now?
I like.
All your friends are here.
Is there a
What is
park?
special about UK?
Yeah.
Okay, Auntie Reshma.
Auntie Reshma is special about UK. So we'll tell her to come here, la. Just like how it was before. Hello, Abdu.
Yeah.
We can go in the holiday over there.
That is not a bad idea. Kai edukking, kai edukking, kai edukking.
Okay.
At vacation we can go for
എന്ത് നമ്മൾ വീട്ടില്ല
vacation half of
അത് വീഴും
vacation
അങ്ങനത്തെ
are
കാണിച്ചാൽ
in
വീഴും
UK